Hey there, I'm Lisa Doyle with Rockcliff Realtors, and everyone has been asking me questions about what's going on with real estate right now. Our market, of course, opened up 3 weeks ago, Monday, where we were able, with proper protocols and protective, measures to keep buyer and sellers safe, we were able to start showing homes again. So what's happened in the last 3 weeks has been interesting. And I get calls every day from home sellers and buyers and everyone asking about the market, what's going on with interest rates. And so I want to give you guys an update. So in our area, we like to track what's called the active impended ratios. It gives you a clear insight on where are we? Where are we as far as, are we a seller's market? Are we a buyer's market? Is it just stable? Are things, are we seeing falling prices, rising prices? What's going on? So right now in our East Bay, and we track the East Bay from Livermore all the way down the 580, the 680, the 24 Clip, the La Miranda area, all the way down to Clayton. So it's a pretty big area, the East Bay. And right now there's only 949 houses active in that whole entire area. And there are 562 homes pending, which means in that area in the last 30 days, 562 homes approximately have gone pending. And just in the last 3 weeks, we've had over 400. So it's right now we are in our East Bay in a healthy, stable market. Only 2 weeks ago, the pended market was only 335, and right now we have 562. So we're seeing some improvement in the number of homes that are selling. And the biggest question that I get for everyone is, where are we seeing pricing right now? And my biggest definition, we had a big meeting on this morning, and we were analyzing the data, every market, every area, every day throughout this last 3.5 weeks. And what we've come to realize is average market times are hovering right around the 34 days in our general area. Pricing has been stable. We are not seeing things rising at this point, but we certainly aren't in a soft market either. It's what you might call it a little bit more normal. The first 2.5 months of 2020 were much more heated. We saw almost every property was selling with multiple offers. Inventory was down in the 300 range in January and February of this year. And home pending, before we had our market shut down in March, it was one of the more heated markets that I've experienced in my 34 years. So right now things are stable. One of the things that we are seeing is, of course, the whole country is at different phases of opening the market, of course, as safely as we can. I know our Contra Costa County has had some openings scheduled. We're starting to see things like beauty parlors scheduling to open, thank goodness, for all of us that need a haircut. And a lot of the industries are starting to open safely. So we're starting to see, just an overall opening of the markets and a bit of optimism. The stock market has risen over 25,000 in the last maybe week or so. So what that does sometimes is it causes interest rates to then react appropriately. And we're starting to see interest rates kind of creeping a little bit up. We're still in that 3.5 or under range, so still very, very good. Historic lows for the last 25 or 30 years. So if there's anything that you guys need, let me know. I'm here to answer questions. But overall, we have a stable market. We are thinking that the last half of this year should be strong and stable in our East Bay. Heading into the election time, sometimes we see a little bit of squirreliness in the market, but I'll surely keep you posted. If you guys have any questions, call me anytime. I'm Lisa Doyle with Rockcliff Realtors, and I so hope to see you soon. Take care.